friends, I am Ellen Pitts, your Raleigh Realtor. I'm here today with Jenna Fisher of the Arranged Abode. Jenna is going to give us some phenomenal tips on organizing our homes, keeping them clean and functional and beautiful. So stick around, we're going to talk about it right now and you don't want to miss it. Okay, we're back and I'm here again with Jenna Fisher. She's going to talk to us about home design today. Today we're actually going to be talking about like home design stuff that we can do on our own homes. So first of all, let's start off with things that make your home more functional. If you could tell us one thing that made your home just run more smoothly that we can do today, what would that be?
Yeah, so I think in your home, it's all about looking at which spaces are your prime real estate. It's all about using the spaces to your advantage. So having things convenient to other things in the way that you function in your home. So best case scenario is usually kitchen. So it's like, figuring out, hey, as far as making things quick and easy, am I gonna put my drinking glassware near my fridge? Kind of makes sense because you're grabbing that as you're getting, whatever beverage you are out of the fridge.
Okay.
Making sure that, plates and bowls and stuff like that are kind of situated either near where you're plating your food, so by the stove, or by your washer, or not your washing machine, your dishwasher. And it's little things like that sometimes when people just move into their homes, they just throw stuff because it's all about getting stuff out of boxes. Yeah. When you think about it, you're like, well, what can save me a little bit of time here and there?
Right. So my dishes are in an armoire in my dining room.
Yeah. And are those your everyday dishes?
Those are my everyday dishes.
Or your if they're special occasion dishes, it's like,
it's fine. I have both of those.
But
that's just, I live in an older home, so that's just kind of the way the space works.
And sometimes that happens.
But it is a lot of steps.
Around
it's a lot of steps.
But yeah, it's all about making your spaces work for you. So it's almost kind of coming in as like a fresh set of eyes, which is honestly what I do. I mean, I do complimentary consultations all the time just because it's all about like fresh perspective, new set of eyes, taking yourself kind of out of your normal and seeing what you can do to kind of optimize your space in your life.
Yeah, we probably could totally rearrange that stuff.
Yeah.
And now that I'm thinking about it, there's a cabinet that has like like serving things that could go, that was right on top of the dishwasher and the sink, and that's actually a really good idea. We could totally flip those two things, and that would make it easier. Okay, so that's a really good one. Okay, so what about to make things beautiful? Like, what is a design element that you often find yourself going back to that directs the eye in a particular way, or just makes the house feel more beautiful?
Yeah. So when you're looking at design and decor, keep in mind that for whatever reason, the eye always likes odd numbers. So a lot of times, if you just have a wall and here's the thing about it. A lot of times art is sold in sets of 2. So if you buy inexpensive art like we all do at like Home Goods or TJ Maxx or something like that, a lot of times they just offer something that might be a mirror image or might be kind of like a left-right sort of thing in a set of 2. But for whatever reason, that's like too boxy to our brains.
Interesting.
The brain really likes odd numbers. So when you're thinking about it and you have 2 elements that are complementary or sold together or whatever it might be, think about adding in a third, or thinking about, even if you're going for symmetry, maybe you have like a 2-3 as opposed to a like 1-on-1 on each side.
Maybe 1-on-1 and then get 2 small things to go in the middle.
Something,
to
we'll
them
see.
Together.
Well, but see, then you're in 4. Then you're back to 4.
Okay, that's right.
So it's just all about kind of it playing with the space. I mean, and there's lots of things to do. And I will say that decor and design and all of that, it's so individualized and so. I mean, it's personal, and it's all about the person who likes it. So what I always preach to everybody is do what you love. That's what it comes down to. Like, your home should be your sanctuary. So you should love it no matter what. But as a general idea, it's kind of like, okay, what are the presiding principles of design and stuff like that?
Odd numbers is where it's at.
Yes, but that's just something to think about.
Okay, so last question. When you hire somebody like yourself to come into your home and do organizational services or, home design, decoration sort of thing, and I know this is a huge question and I know the prices vary greatly, but can you give us like a general idea for basic services that are commonly purchased?
Yeah, so I keep my pricing very simple, and this is obviously for my individual business, and For me, even in the Raleigh area, you know, in the research that I've done, prices are kind of all over, but I like to keep mine super simple. So kind of design, decor, larger organizing projects for my business are usually anywhere from $50 to $75 an hour. Of course, depending on kind of long scale projects and different space considerations and things like that, discounts are always available for a lot of different things. I offer package discounts because I totally value the fact that clients are inviting me into their home for a long time. They want to have that relationship, all that good stuff. But in general, larger projects, $50 to $75 an hour. Concierge, kind of smaller projects, more daily help in the home, $20 to $25 an hour. So really simple.
Okay. Those are very, very reasonable prices.
Yeah.
I think a lot of times people think that it's going to cost thousands of dollars and they can't afford to have a specialized person come in and help.
Well, that's the thing. There's this whole idea about design and organization, and you know, it's this luxury service that you know, only these crazy affluent people.
Yeah.
But you know, that's not at least how I do my business. I believe in real life organizing, everyday stuff, real homes that help families and you know, whether or not there's kids involved or whatever, just help you function better and make you feel better in your space at the end of the day.
Well, that was wonderful. Thanks so much.
Yeah.
And don't forget to click like and subscribe to this video if you want to see more like this. And y'all have a great day.